there is, I stretched on that. I hope you can see that. See the mark? That's where I did the stretch. We'll let that cool for a minute. I'll get this tube set up to weld that on. So I got to stick my blow hose on my tubulated electrode, so I pull the wires down. Just so happens I have the right piece on. So we slide that on. Actually, that leaks a little bit. I think I'll change it out with a better one that seals better. There we go. Put that back over here. Now I need to, that's quite a ways from, I better pull it. I better pull it. When you don't pull it, then it cracks, and then you got to redo everything. Then you got a different color because the new stuff looks more pink than orange. This fades to an orange once it's a couple years old. Just like that. Okay, this one's ready to cut. So I take my hacksaw blade that I have ever so gently ground the highs off the teeth. It just glides across the really good cut. Just kind of fell apart violently, but it's a good cut. And I'm going to put this back on here. I'm going to cut this. It was warm. Didn't burn me, it just scared me. Oop, that cut perfectly as well. So did this. Cut just great. All right. Now. Oh no. I have a crack. Bummer. Cracked anyway. I don't know if you can see it. It's right there on the very top. So what we're going to do is we're going to come in behind it, way down here on the double back. We're going to start way back here. We're going to fan like crazy. And we're going to try to catch that crack. We're going to get this red hot before we start going that way. And we can catch that crack. This is old leaded glass. And this flame is rich, so it turns the glass black because it's rich. Now I've caught that crack, and I'm working it up back to where it needs to go, back to the, and then I can weld this all back together now. Okay. Leave this up in the air. And just over here, you don't want to stay away from that very long. Okay, so we're going to weld this on here now. So you're heating all the way around the tube, getting it all evenly heated. And then once you stuck it together, gently stick it and then suck and blow. I have a hole. I think I got it. I was sucking and blowing real hard. Yeah, I got it. Good deal. I got the door open and the wind just blew my flame. That's not good. Okay, now I've got it all thickened up, and I blew it out and then I stretched it. And you want to stretch it back down to the original size. You want to make sure everything's perfect, and that's perfect.